Staking crypto coins. Staking, in its simplest form, is the process of holding a specific amount of cryptocurrency in a digital wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network. In return for this participation, the network rewards you with additional coins or tokens, effectively paying you interest on your holdings. This method of earning is closely associated with cryptocurrencies that operate on the proof-of-stake (POS) consensus mechanism. How does staking work? To better understand staking, imagine a traditional savings account. When you deposit money into a bank, the bank uses your funds to issue loans and other financial products. In return, the bank pays you interest on your deposited amount. Similarly, when you stake your cryptocurrency, you're allowing the blockchain network to use your funds to validate transactions and maintain network security. In return, the network compensates you with staking rewards, proof of stake versus proof of work. The staking process is exclusive to cryptocurrencies that use the POS consensus mechanism, which is fundamentally different from the proof of work (POW) system used by Bitcoin. In a POW system, miners use powerful hardware to solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and earn rewards. This process is energy-intensive and requires significant upfront investment in mining equipment. In contrast, POS requires only that you hold, or stake, a certain amount of cryptocurrency in your wallet. The network randomly selects validators from those who have staked their coins, and these validators are responsible for adding new blocks to the blockchain. The more coins you stake, the higher your chances of being selected as a validator and earning rewards. This method is far more energy efficient and accessible to a broader audience.